This is the all-new BenQ X3000i. It's BenQ's latest 4K HDR gaming projector that's gonna make your games pop like never before. The X3000i features a 4 LED solid-state lamp source, 100% DCI P3 color coverage with 3000 lumens of brightness behind it for sharp and vibrant images. There's compatibility with HDR10, ultra-low input for buttery smooth gaming, 2 booming 5-watt stereo speakers around back, and a number of connectivity options to connect all of your favorite devices. I've been gaming on projectors almost exclusively for about 5 years now, and when I tell you guys that there is nothing quite like playing your favorite games on such a large screen, there is nothing like playing your favorite games on such a large screen. They offer that home movie theater-like experience that you just can't get from a traditional monitor. Some of my favorite projectors that delivered this experience for me over the years have been from BenQ: the MH530 FHD, the TH671ST, the TK700 STI, and now the X3000i. These things just continuously get better and better. BenQ is known to push the envelope and deliver exceptional projectors at all price points, and the new X3000i here is no exception. This thing packs in many high-end features and top-of-the-line performance into a sleek, very unique looking projector that a lot of monitors are gonna have a tough time coming close to. This thing is unbelievable. When the X3000i arrives, it'll show up in a decently sized box that weighs quite a bit. In the box, you'll find a BenQ QS01 media streaming stick and a sleek Bluetooth remote control right on top. Then there's the projector itself, which comes securely packaged. Beneath it, you'll find some documentation, batteries for the remote, adjustable feet, and of course the power cable. What's unique about the X3000i compared to other projectors is that it features a stylish modern design with a square cube look. It looks very different than the typical rectangular projectors that we're used to. That said, it's not a small projector by any means. All those features packed in here mean that the unit itself is going to be a bit larger and heavier than most, and that's totally fine. 9 times out of 10, a projector ends up just sitting in one place anyway. On the X3000i itself, you have controls on the right-hand side along with a zoom and a focus ring for the lens. Other than that, it's mostly just ventilation on each side. Around back, the X3000i has 2 HDMI ports, a USB-A port, an RS-232 port, a DC 12-volt trigger, and a 3.5mm audio out. The top plate is also removable, and under there, you'll find an additional HDMI port to discreetly install that included media stick with Android TV. There's certainly no shortage of ports here to connect all of your favorite devices. Setting up the projector was incredibly easy. It's basically plug and play out of the box. The most time that you're gonna spend is trying to find that perfect angle. The X3000i has a 110% vertical offset, meaning that the picture doesn't shoot straight out of the lens, so you're gonna have to get a bit creative in angling this projector to fill your screen. Luckily, BenQ offers many tools to help you do just that. From adjustable feet underneath the projector to the built-in 2D keystone, the X3000i is game to fit in any setup, large or small. You can even flip it upside down and use the included magnetic feet so the lens is a bit lower. Halfway through filming this video, I got a new mounted projector cart which tilts a bit and gives me even greater flexibility in angling this projector. That little bit of tilt combined with the 2D keystone made framing the picture super easy. This is a really nice minimalistic cart to roll around all of your gear. When it comes to image quality, the X3000i absolutely shines, no pun intended. This thing delivers sharp, crisp, and vibrant images right out of the box. Even games that I played on my Switch look absolutely stunning on this projector. There once was a time where projectors weren't a good option for gaming, and it's so great to see the roles being reversed here. There's nothing quite like gaming on such a big screen like this. Everything that I throw at this projector looks truly incredible. It's tough to capture on camera just how spectacular the X3000i makes your games and movies look. One of the coolest features of the X3000i is that it features 3 gaming modes built in to fine-tune settings depending on the game that you're playing. They also change the input lag and the refresh rates. There's FPS, RPG, and SPG. RPG boosts cinematic colors and sound settings, FPS makes sound more visible on the screen to help you find your enemies, and SPG boosts voices for commentary and sports, as well as the colors of the turf and things like that. Outside of those, there are a number of other settings to choose from for movies, TV shows, and things like that. Honestly, the X3000i casts such a beautiful image right out of the box that there's really not going to be much work for you to do to make it look better. Regardless, no matter what I watched or what I played on this projector, it looked outstanding. I tested this thing with my Switch, Apple TV 4K, Fire Stick 4K Max, and my MacBook Pro. Everything was sharp and crisp with bright and vibrant colors. I would choose the X3000i over a large TV any day of the week. Next up is sound quality. Back in the day, when you bought a projector, you would also need to buy some sort of external speaker along with it. Thankfully, those days are long gone. BenQ packed dual 5-watt speakers into the X3000i here that will easily fill a medium-sized room with clear sound. The audio audio is nicely balanced, and like the picture quality, there are a number of built-in sound presets to choose from to tailor things to what you're watching or what you're playing. These built-in speakers get loud, and if you're planning on getting the X3000i, I really wouldn't worry about getting a pair of external speakers unless, of course, you want to do surround sound or something like that. In most cases, you're not going to need them. Here's a quick sound test so you guys can get an idea as to how this thing sounds. Alongside that amazing image and sound quality, the X3000i also has the ability to stream right out of the box. With that included BenQ Media Stick, you get access to Android TV and all of the perks that come along with it. It works really great. However, since I have both an Apple TV 4K and a Fire Stick 4K Max, I didn't use it as much as I should have, but for those that need it, it's definitely there. The included remote is also very sleek, responsive, and works as you would expect a remote to work. It's the same as the one included with the TK700 STI, so to me, it was already familiar. Any way that you look at it, the X3000i is going to be a major upgrade for any home theater, and I've been loving every second of my time with it. It is such a pleasure to play games and watch movies on such a gorgeous projector. Sure, the projectors that I've used in the past have been great, and they still are. It's just the X3000i is on a whole nother level. It's the complete package that has everything you need for a home theater built right in. From the stunning picture quality to the amazing sound quality to the ability to stream your favorite movies and shows out of the box, this thing has it all. On top of that, the X3000i starts up and shuts down pretty quickly, so it's ready to go when you need it. You guys know all too well, it's the little things that make Ray happy the most, and that quick startup and shutdown time, they're definitely two of the things that you can add to that list. At the end of the day, it should come as no surprise, I'm a huge fan of the new BenQ X3000i. It's a fantastic 4K HDR projector that's just going to be the perfect addition to any gaming setup. Sure, it's expensive, but it packs in exceptional quality and high-end performance into a projector that comes in at a pretty solid price point. The colors are accurate, bright, and vibrant. The image quality is razor sharp with no noticeable lag. There are a ton of connectivity options. Those built-in speakers get loud. The unit itself looks great, and it starts up and shuts down pretty quickly. There's a lot to love about the BenQ X3000i. It is the ultimate gaming projector with a ton of attractive features. For anyone looking to up the quality in their home gaming setup, it really can't get much better than this. If you've never gamed on a projector before, trust me, my friends, you are missing out. It's gonna change your life big time. There's nothing quite like getting lost in a game on such a big screen like this, especially when it looks as good as it does from a projector like this. It's one of my favorite things ever. Anywho, that's about it for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow at Raymond Strazdas on Twitter and Instagram for much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!